A very good afternoon to everyone. This is Chef Sangeeta from IIHM Goa Food Studio, and today we're going to be making something called chicken stroganoff, which is a very popular continental dish. Usually it is done with beef, and where you have it's more or less not like exactly like a stew, but something where we use sour cream, some caramelized onion, some mushroom, and definitely we can use some bell peppers and some greens and some pasta along with it. So let's go and make chicken stroganoff. So for this we require the chicken, boneless chicken, and I'm removing the chicken breast. If you can see, nicely and gradually. You can see the supreme inside the chicken breast, which need not to be touched at all. So I'm slowly and gradually removing the chicken breast, which is probably around 70 grams. So here we got the chicken breast, and we have the supreme absolutely intact. Okay, we require only the chicken breast. This chicken breast I'm going to be slitting more off because it will be directly used for sauteing. So in this way, and we are removing strips out of it like this. And we put all of these together in the bowl in this way. And in this chicken, which we already cut into strips, I'm going to be adding some salt, some pepper, and some wine, and last but not the least, some flour. And we in this way. Now we'll add some oil to it. And once the pan is hot, we will fry the chicken in this. Our pan is already hot, and I'm going to be adding the chicken pieces which I've already marinated to it. And by the time chicken is getting done, we will get ready with our vegetables. So here we have all the vegetables with us. We got some mushrooms, some bell pepper, capsicum, and some onions. We quickly slice the onion. Slice the mushroom. The onions are ready, the mushrooms are ready, and we're gonna be doing julienne for the bell peppers. So as you can see, my sauteed chicken strips are already ready. I'm gonna be removing them back. Now what we do is we're gonna be adding some butter, the onions, some garlic, and we saute it again until the onions become little translucent. We're going to be sauteing it in butter. We add the bell peppers and the capsicum to it. They look colorful and beautiful. Now we add the mushrooms to it. No sooner we add the mushrooms, we add some salt, some pepper, and a little bit of sugar. alternately we don't forget to add some wine to it. By the time this is getting done and getting cooked, it will start leaving some water. We will quickly chop some parsley and keep it ready with us. Here we have the parsley ready. So our vegetables getting done. In the pan a little more time, and then we slowly and gradually add the chicken to it. The crispy strips of chicken, which has just been cooked and kept aside, are now been added to the mixture of the vegetables, which we just sauteed and slightly caramelized. We let it get cooked for some time. I'm adding some chicken stock to it. And let the entire color gets nice golden little bit. By the time our chicken is getting done and entire juice is in stock, we start making the pasta. For pasta, I will add some spinach to it, which will give a green taste, and definitely that will be a nice accompaniment to the chicken stroganoff. So I'll add some garlic to it. Any kind of continental food, and if garlic is not there, it's incomplete absolutely. So what I'll do, I'll make a wilted spinach pasta. So I've got some fresh spinach with me. I'm going to be adding it to the pan in this way. No sooner you'll add salt to the spinach, you'll start leaving little water, which will help it to get cooked. So you can smell them. Oh wow! Nice wilted spinach. And then I'm adding some nice pasta to it. Nice penne. This is a penne pasta. It is already blanched and kept aside. They look awesome. I'm sure it will taste awesome. By the time it is getting done, I'll just finish with some parsley. Lovely they smell. Okay. So our pasta is just ready in no minutes time. So we look after the chicken stroganoff. So our chicken is almost ready. If you can see, I have some more chopped parsley with me ready. We will be finishing it up with some sour cream. So once the sauce is boiling, I'm going to be adding some sour cream to it. Nice and creamy. And without wasting a lot of time, I'm going to be adding some parsley to it. And let it get simmered for some more time. So we have our chicken stroganoff ready with us. We got the pasta ready with us as well. So what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be presenting the aglio pasta with spinach, wilted spinach, nicely in a plate. And nevertheless, I'll be placing the chicken stroganoff, which can be served with pasta. There are different variations of making this, but then I feel this is the best way how you can make chicken stroganoff and can also eat. So that is our chicken stroganoff with some nice aglio and Florentine pasta. Spinach we call in French Florentine. And I will not forget to garnish it with some nice parsley. And drizzle some olive oil at the end. pasta aglio olio with spinach or Florentine as you may say, with some nice chicken stroganoff is absolutely ready. So this is Chef Sangeeta signing off of IIHM Goa. Hope you have a nice time. It smells lovely. Thank you. Have a nice day.